Hello, once again, this is Dave Knight here at Knight Capital Management. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being here. As you notice, the beard's gone, the mustache is gone, spring is here, baseball's in the air. The Pirates won their first game at home. I don't know exactly their very opening game. I don't know how they're doing right now, but obviously baseball's in the air. My two young kids are playing right now. I got my oldest is in the 7-8 bracket right now. It's still coach pitch, and he's doing pretty good. Knock on the wood here, and I'm really enjoying watching him play. And my youngest son, who is just getting ready to turn 5, is his first year of T-ball, and I promised to him that I would coach his T-ball team as well. So that's where I am. I'm coaching T-ball, and I'm enjoying watching my oldest son play on the 7-8 squad right now, and they look pretty good, so I'm looking forward to see how the regular season works with them. Now, we've kind of stopped doing videos for a while. I was trying to think about exactly how that I want to proceed from this point forward. Now, if you go back through our trading strategy on our website at knightcapitalmanagement.com, you notice that we have our E-mini bull bear trading strategy. Now, everything that I develop is based on that basic strategy. I am working with Genesis at this point, Genesis Financial Technologies, to try to develop my template a little bit further. The ultimate goal as I relate to this template is I'd like to be able to have it to automate the trading strategy for you to the extent that you could actually place orders off of it, or it would actually place orders for you. Let me restate that. It'd be an automated trading strategy for you. One step removed from that would be it would show the alerts on the screen itself and show you your buy or sell points as it relates to my trading method. That is something that I'm looking forward to work with Genesis hand in hand and get that out. I think a lot of questions that come in to me at this point in time, being a new startup that started September 1st, 2009, is how do you derive your signals, or how do you get this, or how do you get that? How do you see that? And I think that being able to offer this at some point, now I hope to have it out in the near future, along with the way that we trade. Now, if you have been in our room lately, you notice that we have moved to a multiple market trading strategy. I've introduced more markets other than just the YM or the E-mini S&P. We're looking at the 30-year Treasury market, or the ZB. We're looking at a currency market called the 6E, or the Euro currency. We're looking at gold and crude oil, which crude oil happens to be my all-time favorite market right now. I love trading crude. It's kind of, if you think about a deck of cards, it's that ace in the hole. It's the strongest suit. It's just playing the ace. And being able to trade crude. I love to trade gold. I like all the markets, and also we're looking at to bring in at some point the grain markets as well, like corn and soybeans. And there's many other there's 15 markets that I look at on a daily basis, and I don't want to overwhelm my students or those that I'm coaching or mentoring at this point. So that's kind of my thought process at this point in time. And along those lines, we've kind of moved back and taken a step as I'm developing this product. At least for the month of April, have went to a simulated account once again, so that I can demonstrate what I want to accomplish, and will continue most likely to continue showing the simulated account through the month of April, looking to get back into the live account in May once I get my feet back wet again and moving forward on the multiple market. I pretty much was away from multiple market trading strategy now for about 6 months, and I'm getting adjusted to showing this in a live environment. And if you've ever moderated a live trading room, you understand how complex this can be and how hard it can be to show your trading method and also instruct others how to do it as well. So that's kind of my thought process, is what I'm going at right now. It's how I'm deciding how to put my product together, or my product line, to show exactly what I want to accomplish. Along those lines, we had one spot free up on our round table. If you're interested to take a look at the round table, I know I still got my beard and whatnot, and I haven't changed the video there, but I actually have one spot available on our round table. Our next meeting is actually tomorrow on April 13th, and then the next one after that will be 2 weeks after that. So we'll meet basically 2 times a month. We learn a lot from each other. Got a lot of really good traders in the room that we share information with, and it'll increase and put you on that fast track of getting from point A to point B in a quick manner. What else is going on? Obviously, you know I like to read books. I'm really debating about getting back into golf again. Right now, I'm currently reading this book called The 5,000 Year Leap that was recommended by Glenn Beck. It's a deep reading book here. It was written several years ago. Actually, I think, if I remember right, let me look here. The first copyright came out in 1981. Heck, I was still in high school at that point in time. But it's a 30-year anniversary edition. I'll be 25 years out of high school coming this year. So I actually think about the time that I started trading was 16 years old that I took my first trade on. Now it's 25 years after I graduated high school. I guess I could update my, instead of saying 25 years of trading, I guess I could go even more than that now. But I still want to sound young here, so 25 years is good enough. On the more fun type of reading, I wouldn't call it fun, but I love history. I'm enjoying watching the Pacific on HBO right now. Personally, I don't think it is good. It is as good as Band of Brothers, but I really enjoy learning about the Pacific. Now, my great grandfathers were in World War II and whatnot, and they served on the Germany front. Really didn't have anyone that was serving in the Pacific front, and I'm sure that if I would have had someone in the Pacific front, I would have be a lot more. But anyway, regardless of that, I think the book, The Pacific, is actually better than the series itself, and most times that's true. If you read the book, you think, wow. In fact, they go into, which I would be more interested in anyway, because I was thinking about Air Force and the Navy, and as a fighter pilot until I had to wear glasses. That they go in. One of the gentlemen they talk about in the Pacific is can't think of his name off the top of my head, but he's a fighter. Actually, he's a dive bomber, I guess, on the scout side of it, and it's been really neat. I just got through midway and working my way through the book, and I'm really enjoying it. Anyway, that's what's going on in my life right now. I just kind of wanted to bring you up to speed of what's going on here at Knight Capital Management, what we're looking to accomplish, where we're looking to go and move forward. I'm still debating on where I want to start my account balance at this multiple market trading strategy. I need to do a little bit more work on that to figure out exactly where I want to be in relation to a starting account balance. So I will be back with more details in the next video. This is Dave Knight here at Knight Capital Management. You're watching the Tiger Trading Channel. We'll see you soon on the next video. Look forward to seeing our top 10 most should ask questions coming soon. We'll talk to you a little bit later. Bye now.